Hello everyone. As promised, I'm going to do my first unboxing of the year. This is my project for 2024. It's going to be a petrol plane. I haven't flown a petrol plane since, 2005, I think. After a while I moved to different country and started doing mostly electric planes. But okay, this was really tempting, really nice. I could see it fly, and it flies really good. So let me prepare the unboxing. I will come back with you. Alright, welcome back. The box is so huge, I needed to prepare everything instead of struggling with all this stuff. I did a quick unboxing at the seller, Mr. Boone, and now we can proceed, right? Alright, I will open just one wing. For this one, it's a very big wing. This is a 2-meter wingspan, 2 meter 3 centimeters, and this is a really big plane. Bring my coupler. You need to be very careful because the skin is printed covering, so if you damage it, you will cry. I will cry as well. Very nice. Okay. Alright. Here is the wing. It's a really nice finishing, very solid. You can see it has been pre-weathered. All this one is the weathering, the scratches, exposed aluminum, stains. Probably a little bit too much for me, but let's say this plane was from near the end of the war, so all these zeros will really batter out, right? Okay, the underside, IGM light gray. We have a covering for the servo. The servos are, the controls are internal. You are not going to see a control horn outside. The controls are internal. So the flap, for instance, is actuated from inside. The same with the aileron. This is the aileron cover. So you cannot see any place to put the control horn because it comes from inside. All right. This is the wheel well. This is partially covered with carbon fiber. All the fuselage inside you will see. Here we have, I assume all the strings are to help pull out the wires. Right? You can connect the retract wire around here and the servo wire, so you don't need to juggle it by yourself. All the wing is covered with balsa, and in this case is only balsa, but here in the main rib you have carbon fiber as well. Really nice, really big. Let's put it aside. A lot of control rods, very thick, wow, at least 3 mm control rods. And let me see if we can open the instruction manual. Right, this is the instruction manual. Let me see my glasses. Alright, not young anymore. Okay, we have all the warnings, and here you have the how to install the lights, how to install This is a lighting system not included, it's been purchased separately. Okay. We have we need to put fiberglass plate, paintbrush. If the covering is loose, you can use the old iron to fix it. You have the electron flaps installation. You can see that it's inside, right? It's not from a visible control horn. Yeah, this is how it looks. We need to cut a little bit. There is one place here. Let's see. Yeah, here is a small opening where you need to put a control horn. The same for the aileron. Yeah, here. You need to cut the covering and install the control horn there. And then you have this one already installed. I need to check if this is already installed. No, you need to glue. You need to glue the ailerons, right? Because the ailerons come unglued. And here you have the hole to the control horn, right? I'm planning to use overall epoxy, 15 minutes epoxy for all the plane because it's balsa. So, okay, install the servo installation, torque rods, yep, all nice. This is a flap installation, all the detailing, plastic parts, the wheel well, the retract, nice. The controller box. Okay, lots of good information, especially for me. I don't for my foam planes I don't look at this one because of I don't have time, but this one is a completely different thing. I will have to study that carefully. All right. Tail, all the tail together with the elevator, the stabilizer. Okay, let's take a look. Again, be careful with when you're opening this. You don't want to damage the tail. Go. It seems a solid piece of balsa. No, it has some lightening holes, but mostly it's one solid piece. This plane is from Phoenix model from Vietnam. These guys have been improving and improving. This is, if not mistaken, this is one of the branches that left Dark Horse. We have BQ models and you have Phoenix models, right? Something like a family business. Alright, this is a stabilizer. Another wing. Another wing, same stuff. Huge. Rods. Okay, I have the retracts. Let's take a look. These are electronic retracts. No Pneumatic. Personally, I'm not really fond of pneumatic retracts. Too complex, and you are always going to have some issues. Right? For me, it's always better the electric ones. I saw this one in action, and they are really strong. Okay, here we have the retract. Some very hard spring there. Good. So springs are not always good for the plane. It's not absorber, it's just a spring. It's going to pump. It's going to keep bouncing. Alright, and the trailing link is just decoration because you can see the guide here. So the torsion is not going to happen because of this. This is just decoration. Here are the braces for the pant or for the cover. All this one, yes, they need to go to a controller box because they are not directly to the receiver. Really nice and big. What else we have? This is a controller box. All right. Item code. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, this is a controller box for the retracts. Alright. How many retracts can you attach? Up to 3. Alright. Okay. Now the juicy part. Very juicy. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So nice. So huge. I don't know what I'm getting into with this thing. Of course, we have to cut this covering around this one to find the hole to glue. I don't know, we need to insert. This one is a full elevator, so we'll have to insert it here. They have the not so scale wording of the squadron and pilot and crew and everything. Oh. You see, I forgot to take out it. Alright, this covering is very resistant. I was scared because in foam the paint peels off. Okay, this is the number. I will have to investigate which squadron was this number, the pilot. Here we have the access to the tail landing gear. Fixed, unfortunately. I would have expected to have a retract here, but I will consider if it is worth installing a retract, because this one is, as it is pre-built, I will have to modify some things, right? Because this wheel is just very short for the retract and the original. Okay, let's take a look to the engine box. Firewall, everything already there. You have the angle for the engine already built in, and also the down angle. Two latches for the cockpit, so it's going to be very secure. Let's see what is inside. Alright, this is the inside of the plane, the inside of the beast. I got the number 8008, so this is the 8th production plane. My friend got number 1. We have number 1, number 2, number 7, and number 8 right now in our flying group. Right? So you can see a very nice and very strong structure. All wood covering with the reinforcement of carbon fiber. Okay. This is it. Okay, let's take a look at this horrible thing. I don't know exactly why they were thinking putting a green man as a pilot. Anyway, a Japanese pilot is already coming in. But the cockpit is quite nice. You can see the gun sight, you can see the two machine guns levers, and well, it's not that bad, but the pilot is horrible, so it has to go. For that, unfortunately, we will have to perform some surgery here because everything is gluing and I don't want to take out the plastic outside. You see, this one is plastic part and lined with some green tape, exactly the same color, so I don't want to mess with that one. So most probably what we have to do is to cut this wood. It also seems quite thin, no issue. Cut this one, extract the pilot, and then do some magic to change. Alright, here we go now to accessories. This is a CG jig, but it's a zero right now. You know exactly where the CG is. But this one you open a little bit both wings, insert this one in the main spar, and hang it from here to check the CG. Right? You have even the strings for that. But it's a zero. What new is going to be about the CG? The CG is always the same. We have a part of the cowling, the radial engine, very basic. Some of these cylinders will have to go for engine cooling, back plate, and the blocks for the screws. Here we have more hardware. The wheels, they look like 90 mm probably. Let's see, 10 mm, 4 inches. All the ball links, connectors, everything for shielding. And this is the fuel tank. It's quite small, huh? But okay, let's see. You have the you need to build it. You need to assemble. Huh? They provide a nice wrench to go inside the tank and hold the base of these nipples. Nice. We have the spinner. This is the light covers for the wing, and this is the spinner. Let's take a look at the spinner. Always, the spinner is fundamental for the scale appearance. Okay. Alright, the shape is right. The shape is right. It's for a two-blade propeller. It seems to be just plastic, and the back plate is aluminum. Alright, two-blade, good for speed, not so good for scale, but we will see what we can do. Alright, this is a tail wheel. Some suspension there. And this one, I think this is the brace for the throttle servo. we have more parts. It seems to be the standoffs for the engine and straps for batteries, tank, whatever. Alright, now we go to another juicy part, the cowling. Like a couple of small scoops. Okay, what we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So this one most probably is a A6M5, right? This version of Zero is A6M5. It's not nice that it doesn't have the details of the rivets and the joining brackets, but okay, it's up to you to do it, so let's do it. I plan to do that. Where are the stacks? Okay, here are the exhaust stacks, all in ABS plastic. Quite strong. We're going to paint color of metal, bare metal. What else? Well, all in all, that's it. That's all. This is the lower scoop. That's all. I mean, we are going to start. First, I will start ordering the servos and everything. And I will keep you posted in the progress, so you can see how we advance all together. Alright, this is all for now. Thank you very much. Keep posted to see what happens with this Zero. Later we'll do another unboxing for the engine. It's a really nice engine, and then we'll start doing the break-in. We are going to start the construction of this one. Thank you very much for watching. Have a very good Happy New Year. I hope you have a lot of health and prosperity, and please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you very much.